Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video, guys. Hit that subscribe button for me. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I can't do it without you. Got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get right into the VeChain updates, guys. So yesterday we burned about 6 million VITRO. Today we're burning a little bit less, about 3 million VITRO. Really nothing much to talk about. Moving on to the price. Take a look at the price here, guys. We are down about 1.2% here. This is really good though. We are holding this 6 cent support here. So when we did dump, we did not go beneath 6 cents. So hopefully, as the days go on, we can stay above 6 cents. I have no doubts that we could do that. Looks like we're on a steady climb upwards here. Really no reason for the markets to be down in any fashion other than whales taking profits, people taking profits, and reallocation of portfolios. Today, I believe, today or yesterday, the Senate is voting. No, the House is re-voting on the stimmy check bill, the $1.9 trillion stimulus check. For Americans making under $80,000 a year, couples making under $140,000 a year, and they'll get a child tax credit as well. So this will only bode well for the asset markets as a whole. I don't see really any reason for a major dump, but you can't really predict markets. They go up, they go down. There's no real reason why. So we're still here at 6 cents. This is really good, guys. On our way to 10. I have no doubts we can get there with a good announcement here or two. So yeah, that's enough of the price. Let's move on to the news. This is awesome, guys. Let's take a look here. Thank you to CryptV. Go ahead and give him a follow. Just a friendly reminder of what your first $1,400 stimulus check would be worth today if you invested it in VeChain 11 months ago. You don't want to miss out this time. And back then, let me tell you, the FUD was insurmountable, bro. The FUD was just crazy. People were saying sell. We're going to sell for, I don't know what coin. There was a lot of shit coins back then. But as we can see here, guys, if you would have just invested $1,400 into VeChain last month, 11 months ago, you would be up almost 2,000%. You'd be holding a good bag of cash there. That's 30 grand. That's life changing for a lot of people. It's just about finding undervalued assets and holding them. That's it. I mean, it's the Warren Buffett way to go. I know he's old and I know he doesn't really understand technology, but the same principles apply, guys. Like, I'm not a financial advisor, but this should be common sense, like common investment advice. You see a company that people are enthusiastic about, they have a good product and they're undervalued by the market. Why not buy them? Why not buy them? If they go down, so what? You know what I mean? Like, they're going to go up again, in my humble opinion. What goes up must go down. Consult your financial advisor before investing in anything, guys. I got to say that now that the bull run is kicking into gear, a lot of people are going to make a lot of money and a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. Typically, the people that lose a lot of money, they trade around and they, buy shit coins and then those shit coins dump. So just be careful, protect your funds, and yeah. So $30,875. That's absolutely insane. I mean, these returns, you can't get that in the stock market. You can't get that in the stock market. But in crypto, it's pretty regular. Guys, we got some great news here. We have Georgetown Cryptos Are Us analyzes VeChain and why it's the most undervalued currency right now. So this gentleman here has over 140K subscribers and he did a wonderful video. I mean, it's 45 minutes just talking about VeChain. What is VeChain? Their partnerships, their investors. They go into he goes into a long Q&A about VeChain. So guys, go ahead and check this out if you want. I mean, I have no problems, shouting out other YouTubers. I mean, guys, we're in this together. We're in this for, the long haul. We all got to win. And This is amazing. It's like buying Amazon or Alibaba for pennies, guys, for pennies. If VeChain can get to where the vision is, or at least to where half of the vision is, guys, you know, we're in for an amazing time. So shout out to Cryptos Are Us. This is definitely a big channel. This is goals. After we get to our 10,000 subscribers, guys, I'm going to be doing a hard push for a 10x in subs. I'm talking about, you know, 10x subscribers. I know you could do it. I know you could 10x me. We're going there. 10x us, because, you know, this channel is not just me. It's all of you guys. But that's for the future. We got to get to 10K first, and then we're moving to 100K, baby. I already know it. I can feel it in my bones. All right, moving on. We've got Eisenreich again. Please go ahead and follow Eisenreich here. He's a gentleman and a scholar. We have got Ubiquity Tag here, a trusted VeChain partner. They are almost ready to announce something new in our Unanimity blockchain as a service API ecosystem. We've already built it, and press release is coming tomorrow. So this is awesome, guys. It's called Arapora Blockchain Innovation Program here. It supports Ethereum, Proton, and VeChain. So we can see here, we don't really know what it is yet, but the press release is coming tomorrow, and once they release it, I will cover it. So keep your eyes open for that. We are really moving through the news. Shout out to Bread Garlic House, a Patreon member here. We feature a lot of his writing on this channel. If you're watching, Bread, shout out to you, buddy. Wondering why VeChain Official isn't jumping on the latest crypto hype bubbles. Below is just some of the target markets of VeChain. Imagine even 1% of that value tracked and traced on the VeChain network, guys. That's a network worth over $458 billion of sustainable value, guys. We only need to get to a market cap of $55 billion for VeChain to get to $1. Imagine if we could capture a market cap of $458 billion. I can't do the math right now because it's early in the morning, but somebody down below, do the math. Market cap of VeChain, what would the price be at $458 billion? Okay, I know at 1 trillion, that's $18. So you got to do the math from there. So the logistics industry, $12 trillion. Healthcare, $10 trillion and growing. Insurance, $5.8 trillion. Oil and gas, $3.2 trillion, guys. These are just the T's right here. There's 5 areas in which VeChain can capture a fraction of the market, and they're worth the trillions of dollars, guys. Now we're getting to the billions. $900 billion for shipping, $692 billion for mining and materials. We just did a video 2 days ago about Hydro coming on. We did a video about a week ago. Shout out to Bobby Shmurda. Glad that you're released. Anyway, we did a video about Medina, Africa about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and they're tracking and tracing African minerals on the VeChain Thor blockchain. Precious metals, luxury goods. We already got COS from H&M. We're tracking leather from Givenchy bags. Vaccines, 25 billion, and that's going to increase. Why aren't we pre-making vaccines for deadly diseases? Why aren't we pre-making vaccines for Ebola, for malaria? I'm not even going to get into that. Supply chain management, 15.85 billion at the lowest. So guys, if we stay the course, if we continue to get, countries, if we continue to get Fortune 500 companies on board, if we continue to work with PwC, DNVGL, these guys, the sky is the limit. Okay, we're moving ahead. We're not looking at the past. Again, why don't I care about the VeChain price? I know I'm going off on a tangent, but do you care? Do you care at all, guys? What the VeChain price was on September 11th, 2020? No, you don't. You care about what the VeChain price is going to be 10, 15, 50. I said the 50 word. I know I'm going to get some dislikes. You care about what the VeChain price is going to be in the future, not in the past. So let's keep our eyes on the future, guys. We got a lot of growth to get through, and we're going to get there. And finally, guys, that was a mistake. Finally, guys, VEX Exchange 2 on the testnet will be released on March the 15th, guys. So typically these tests last a couple of months. So we should be seeing VEX Exchange 2 out relatively soon, maybe in the next couple of months. Hopefully Proof of Authority 2.0 comes out before VEX Exchange 2, and I definitely think that that can happen. So let's keep our eyes open. You know, we just gotta be patient for these guys. And once VEX Exchange 2 comes out, I think it's gonna be similar to Uniswap. We'll be able to swap our player and our, you know, utility tokens on the VeChain Thor blockchain. It's gonna be great, guys. So keep your eyes out for that. Not a long video today, guys. I really appreciate you sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the updates. We have AJ, Brett Garlickhouse, Mac Harris, Sergio, Lassie Nielsen, The Fern Line, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanHomeRemedies.com, Maryland 4, Crypto, Boost Wayne, Feruz Din, Brady Adams, Joel Jimenez, Kyle Bocci, CryptoSVT.si, Eric Parra, at Dig the Voice for the People, HPDSouthBay.com, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Clyback ZH, Angela Schroyer. Thank you so much for your wonderful Patreon support. I love it, and I do these videos for you. Looking at the Bitcoin block halving reward, guys, we have 1152 days to the next Bitcoin block halving, and yeah, the market is moving up. Bitcoin is honey badger. It does not give a flying looks like it's on its way to 60K. You know, Bitcoin could literally get to 100K by the end of the bull run. What would you do if that occurred? Things would be more insane than they are now. Imagine everything doubled right now in the markets and things going parabolic. I could see it. I could definitely see it, guys. So we've got a lot of good stuff coming. We've got a lot of good stuff coming, guys. Don't focus too much on the price. Focus on the news. Focus on where things are going. Polygon is up 34%. BAT is up. Hopefully that could get to $1. That'd be great. AMP, not really too much pumping. Let's take a look at any dumps. Nothing really too much dumping either. All right, guys. Well, I've got to run. We've got to get to the Cardano update, so do not forget that. We got Cardano updates coming up soon. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for me, guys. You know, we're trying to get to 10K, and the next is 100K, baby. We're 10Xing. We're 10Xing, just like VeChain. I can't do it without you. I love each and every one of you. Don't let your memes be dreams. And I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.